In our latest video, we thought we'd tell you about social media sites that you might not have heard about, but it might just be the thing to help you grow your business. We've found so many that we decided to split the video into two parts, so don't forget to look out for the other part of this series. There are 62 in total, so you'll see 31 in this video, and if your maths is correct, 31 in the other part. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring out new videos to show you how to make money. Social media sites have flourished over the last few years, and we have all embraced the technology that connects us with others. With smartphones and internet connectivity becoming cheaper and easier to access, by 2021 more than 4 billion people will be using social media. What this means for marketeers and people selling is that there is a huge potential to reach a massive and engaged audience on social media. So let's get going. In this video, we'll tell you about 31 of the 62 social media sites that you can start to use in your social media marketing strategy. We're going to avoid the obvious like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Pinterest, Reddit, and of course YouTube, as we've already covered a lot of these in previous videos. These are going to be sites you may never have heard about before, and although we are only going to be racing through these platforms in this video, we are planning on making more about them, going into more detail in later videos. We hope some of these platforms could help you build valuable connections in areas of interest. So, in no particular order, 32 eToro. eToro is a social trending platform that allows users to follow leading traders in the community and connect with other traders. Users can also earn some extra income by having other traders copy their trading strategies and portfolios. 33. Zing. This is a career-orientated social media site that helps people expand their professional network. Users can conduct job search, get the latest industry news, and discover professional events like conferences, seminars, and trade shows. It's mostly a European-focused website. 34. Meet Me. Previously, this was known as My Yearbook. This social media site helps users who can discover new people in your area to connect with and people who share your interests. 35. Ravelry. There's a social media site for everyone and almost every niche interest. Ravelry is a dedicated social network for people who are interested in knitting and crocheting. They can connect with people who share the same interest and share ideas and inspirations with them. 36. Care2. Care2 is a site for activists, where they can discover trending stories and petitions from around the world. The community is made up of more than 45 million people who want to make the world a better place and stand against cruelty and injustice. 37. YY. YY is one of the biggest social media sites in China, where users share video content with other users. It has more than 300 million users and allows groups video chats. Like Twitch, users can watch a single video of someone engaging in an activity. These activities can range from tutorials to karaoke. 38. Vero. Vero is a site where users can share their favourite things with the community. They can share songs, photos, books and movies. The platform markets itself as a social network that cares about building real connections between users and doesn't use data mining or algorithms. 39. Medium. Medium is a content publishing site with some social network elements in it. Members can publish content on the site and share it with others. They can clap to and comment on posts created by other members. Whilst most articles are free to read, some of them are reserved for paying members. 40. Giphy. This is an online database of animated GIFs. They are usually humour-based. Users can upload their own GIFs or search for and discover GIFs created by other users. They can react to their favourite GIFs and even share them with friends on other social media platforms. 41. Tribe. Tribe is a cloud-based community. Users can engage in conversation and discussions under specific brands. They can explore and follow different brands, ask questions, start discussions, and create polls relevant to those brands. 42. Tencent QQ. This is a Chinese instant messaging platform that was initially launched only in China, but later expanded to 80 plus countries. It supports text messages, voice calls, and video calls. It also has a built-in language translator to help you communicate with people who speak different languages. It has a staggering 640 million users in China. 43. Qzone. Qzone is another app from the makers of QQ and WeChat. This social media platform is very popular in China, with as many as 517 million users currently. You can use it as a blog, an online diary, a platform to share photos, watch videos, listen to music, and a lot more. 44. Sino Weibo. This is another Chinese microblogging and social media network website with over 516 million monthly users. It is often called the Chinese version of Twitter because it is actually quite similar in the sense that people share short updates and post just like tweet. 45. Keishore. This is a Chinese video sharing platform that has been active since 2011 with over 400 million monthly users in over 9 countries. 46. Skype. This is a community-based social networking platform that is most popular for making video conferencing calls. It also provides instant messages, functionality, and can be used to share text, images, videos, and audio files. 47. Viber. Viber is an instant messaging platform for the Japanese community. It can be used on both mobile devices and desktop. You can use it to make free voice and video calls and send messages. It has over 1 billion registered users in 2019. 48. Line. Line is a popular Japanese social networking site that also attracts users from other countries like Thailand. You can send messages and make voicemail and video calls. It also allows photo and video sharing. 49. Line Play. It is an avatar-based network like a virtual world. It combines elements of both games and social networking platforms. You simply need to create your own avatar and meet people online from anywhere in the world. And it has over 65 million users and is available as a mobile app as well. 50. Dots. This is a professional networking platform for people who are in the creative fields. It is a good space to collaborate with others, find jobs or clients, and upskill yourself. You can also talk to other experts in your field and seek advice from them. Overall, it's a great platform to showcase your work and get discovered. 51. Telegram. This is an instant messaging platform that is somewhat similar to WhatsApp in that you can use it to send free messages. One unique benefit with Telegram is that all the messages shared on this platform are encrypted and can be self-destructed. So when it comes to security and privacy, it gets a big thumbs up. Another great feature is that it allows you to create groups of as many as 200,000 members, which is way more than any other messaging platform offers. 52. Foursquare Swarm. Foursquare is a search and discovery based app that helps users discover nearby places by providing recommendations. Foursquare is so much more than just a social media platform, but it is also a location data and technology platform. Their social networking feature is now available as a separate product called Swarm. It is a social network app that has Foursquare's popular functionality of check-ins when visiting a place. 53. Douban. This is a culture-orientated Chinese social media site with a focus on movies, music and books. You can use it to create a fan page or review books, movies, etc. It also has the option to create groups to discuss certain topics. The average audience on Douban is more educated and culture-orientated than other social media sites in the country. 54. Discord. Discord is a preferred instant messaging platform for gamers. A lot of gamers use it to create team channels and discuss game strategy. You can use it directly from your browser or download it as an app. Even though it is popular with gaming groups, it can also be used for creating practically any type of group or connection over a group chat. You can be a book club, movie club, or even a study group. 55. Badoo. Badoo is a social media dating platform where you can create your profile and find people with similar interests. The platform claims to have over 474 million registered users who send 350 million messages every day. This makes it one of the largest social discovery platforms in the world. 56. MySpace. MySpace is one of the oldest social networking platforms. In fact, it was the largest social media platform almost a decade ago and was extremely popular in the US. The rise of other platforms like Facebook and Twitter eventually led it to decline in popularity. However, MySpace is still active and gets monthly traffic of over 7.5 million users. 57. Mixi. This is another Japanese social networking site that started as an invite-only service but can now be used by anyone. You can use it to find and connect with people who have similar interests. It has over 2.7 million community groups based on different hobbies and interests. The platform also provides you with option to create and join events for people with specific interests. 58. Ravelry. This is a niche, hyper-targeted social media site for people who like knitting, weaving and crocheting. The purpose is to discover ideas, share your own work, and seek advice. It is a free site and provides tons of resources for knitters and crocheters. 59. Seller Fun. This is a social gaming community where you can create avatars, play games, socialise and purchase virtual commodities. The site is free to use, but you can pay to get additional features using fun coins, their virtual currency. 60. Xanga. This is a social networking platform for bloggers and allows you to create and share blog posts. The social networking aspect is that you can create your own profile, connect with friends and share blog updates with your subscribers like you would on a social media post. Friends and subscribers are two different categories. Subscribers can follow you and get updates on your blog. Friends, on the other hand, can have more direct connections with you. 61. Umgar. This is an American social media image sharing site, somewhat similar to Instagram, but not quite. It is most popular with sharing viral images and memes, and it is not as versatile as some other platforms. However, it does provide features like hashtags and topic-based content searching. 62. Elo. Elo is a niche social media platform for a global community of artists. You can use this to showcase your work, look at other artists' creations, and connect with them. The platform is visually and vibrant in nature, so even if you are not an artist, you can always check out some beautiful work done on this site. As you can see from this list, if you are a marketeer or have a product to sell, there is a huge range of social media platforms for you to choose from. They can also help you expand your network if you're an influencer or a consumer. You can use these sites to connect with like-minded individuals and build better connections. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.